Hello, it's me again. My name is Maureen. Today we are going to do job interview question number 2. What is your biggest weakness? This is a very difficult question for many people because no one wants to talk about their weakness. But how can we answer this question? And what should you say? What should you not say? Number 1, many people quickly say, I'm a perfectionist. They have heard this question so many times. It's a cliche. Don't use this. Don't say this during your job interview. And before I give you a sample answer, I'm going to tell you why they ask this question. They ask this question because they're, 1, looking for self-awareness. Do you understand yourself very well? And do you know your weaknesses and strengths? Because if someone thinks they're perfect, it's difficult to work with this person. So, number 1, self-awareness. Number 2, what are you doing to make this not a weakness at your job, not affect your job? And when you mention a weakness, make sure that it's not part of the job requirements. For example, don't say, I have trouble waking up in the morning, because if the job requires you to be at work very early in the morning, they will not give you the job. You will not get past the job interview. So, number 1, self-awareness, find a weakness, and then number 2, mention that you're working towards making this weakness into a strength. You're developing yourself. And number 3, give a practical solution that you have decided to use to solve this problem. So a sample answer, you could say, for example, me personally, I sometimes tend to be very shy. Notice how I give my answer. I say I sometimes, not all the time, but sometimes I tend to be very shy, but I noticed this. I now try to go out and talk to people. When I meet new people, I try to smile and say hello and prevent myself from being shy, not talking. And currently, I participate in some group activities around my home area so that it helps me become more outgoing instead of being shy. So this was a weakness, but then I mentioned I'm working upon it and I'm improving it. It means don't worry, it will not affect my job. I'm working on it. So thank you for listening today, and bye-bye. Take care.